Hello friends, and welcome to Free Computech channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the number system in computer and the binary conversion. So before I start, I'll request you to subscribe my channel so that you can watch all the latest videos on computer and technology. So let's begin with the number system. So number system, there are four types of number system. Number one is binary number system, number two is octal, number three is decimal, and number four is hexadecimal. So let's begin with binary number system. So binary number system, binary means two. Binary number consists of 0 and 1. 1 means true or on, 0 means false or off. Second is octal. So octal means 8. Octal number consists of 8 values starting from 0 to 7. So 0 to 7 there are 8 numbers. Next is decimal number system. Decimal means 10. Decimal number consists of 10 values, again starting from 0 till 9. So 0 to 9 there are 10 values in decimal number system. Next is hexadecimal number system. Now in hexadecimal, hexa means 6, decimal means 10. So hexadecimal contains 16 values, 10 plus 6, 16 values starting from 0 to 15. Now friends, in hexadecimal number system, 0 to 9 we write in numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we will write in number, but after 9 means from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 we use some alphabetical order. Like for 10 we write A, for 11 we write B, for 12 we write C, for 13 we write D, for 14 we write E, and for 15 we write F. So let's see the first conversion of decimal into binary. Let's take a binary number. So 25 is so let's take a decimal number. So 25 is a decimal number. So we will divide this 25 by 2. So 25 divided by 2 will give 12 as quotient. So what will be the remainder? Yes, remainder will be 1. Again 12 divided by 2, quotient will be 6 and remainder will be 0. Simple. Next 2, again 6 divided by 2, quotient 3, remainder 0. Again 2, 3 divided by 2, quotient will be 1, 2 1 are 2 and remainder will be 1. So now our final answer will be 1 1 0 0 1. Yes friends, the final answer is 1 1 0 0 1. So the binary equivalent for 25 is 11001. Let's take another example, 54. So 54 is a decimal number. So again we will divide 54 by 2. So 54 by 2 is quotient will be 27, remainder 0. 27 divided by 2 will give 13 as quotient and remainder 1. 13 divided by 2, 6 as quotient and 1 will be remainder. 6 divided by 2 will give 3 as quotient and 0 will be remainder, and 3 divided by 2 will give 1 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So the final answer will be 1 1 0 1 1 0. Now let's see conversion of binary into decimal. Just now we have seen what decimal into binary. Now we will see binary into decimal. So let's take an example, 11001. So 11001 is the number. So first we will do the numbering from the right side. So the right side, the first one will be numbered as 0. 0 will be numbered as 1. Next 0 will be numbered as 2. This 1 will be numbered as 3 and 1 will be numbered as 4. Now next, so numbering has been done. Next we will make the base of these numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So base will be 2. So now we have 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 0. So the next step, we will multiply this 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 with these numbers. I mean 1 into 2 to the power 4, 1 into 2 to the power 3, 0 into 2 to the power 2, 0 into 2 to the power 1 and 1 into 2 to the power 0. So, and after that we will add all the products. So the final equation will be 1 into 2 to the power 4, 1 into 2 to the power 3, 0 into 2 to the power 2, 0 into 2 to the power 1 and 1 into 2 to the power 0. So the solution is 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 3 is 8. This 0 into 2 to the power 2 will give 0. This 0 into 2 to the power 1 will give 0. And 1 into 2 to the power 0 will give 1. So the final answer is 25. Let's take another example. No examples. This time you have to do this. Yes, this you have to do. You will do this. And if you have any problem, you can write us. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.